Okay, uh, ladies and gentlemen, today the subject of our discussion is the leadership style of Tesla Steel and the major ethic and dilemma the company has countered. My name is Yang Hu. Okay, next page. First of all, we will give an overview of Tesla and why it's significant in market revolution in the transportation sector. Secondly, we will expand the leadership style used by Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, who is known for a visionary style of leadership. Then we will investigate an ethic dilemma experienced by Tesla conducting an evaluation of this consequence on the company. Our report crosses by providing stress regarding improvement of leadership and management process when a similar situation occurs in future. Okay, next page. We founded in 2003 by Martin Abharder and Martin Taponi. Tesla received a major boost when and Musk was appointed chairman in 2004. Later, also amusing the position of steel. Tesla is different from other automakers due to its innovative work in electric cars, renewable energy and energy storage. One of the most evident contributions of Tesla in the recent years is significant expansions on global cash with a factory in the U.S., specifically California and Nevada, China, and Germany. A sales and service network authorized to cover West area and span entire continent. On top of it all is Elon Musk, who is not only the CEO of Tesla but also the face of SpaceX X and many of Musk's other projects. Musk is well known for his progressive leadership and his outstanding work toward energy and transportation sustainability. Okay, next page. Elon Musk has a leader aborted three important terrorists. First of all, Musk is very in his leadership record. He is after lawful goals for Tesla that include mass manufacture of electric cars and new and renewable energy solution. In addition, Musk the masteries of transformation leadership were in his beauties of scientific culture of innovation and the pushing of the boundaries with the automobile industry. Moreover, his capacity to lead people through imperious communication and audacity in project implementation provides companies effort with robustness. Now let's zoom down in our subject with a dilemma that Tesla had encountered with plot function has created a lot of debate, and the main issues that were brought out were about safety and transparency. Following that, Tesla's official statement was provocative by amending the a top load software, and it also clarified the safety variables of the car. Also, the situation was not serious, where was a great deal of critical reduced stakeholder trust and regulatory attention towards Tesla's. Okay, the next part will be headed over to YIXIN Zhang.
Okay, thanks Yang Hu. My name is YIXIN Zhang. I would like to draw your attention to Elon Musk's leadership style, which is mainly transformational leadership style. Let's focus on what is defined as transformational leadership style. Transformational leadership helps stimulate subordinates motivation by appealing to their higher level needs and encouraging them to work towards common goals. Okay, next page. Musk and a manifestation of leadership style. Tesla's vision is to become striking car company and promote the global transition to sustainable energy through the popularization of electric vehicles. He convened the team to brainstorm, shape the values of innovation, sustainability, safety, and excellence, and turn the vision into the common mission for employees to motivate employees. The terms of salary, the salary bonuses and subsidies of ordinary Tesla employees are higher than those of the same industry. Musk is known for his attention to detail and encourages open communication across all levels of the company to ensure that critical information is shared proudly and seamlessly. Moreover, Musk's strong decision-making power, although sometimes perceived as autocratic, allows him to maintain control over the overall situation. He also leads by example, holding himself to the same high standards he expects from his employees. Musk actively encourages innovation and continuous iteration to ensure that Tesla's products and services provide the customers with enhanced experiences. In the automotive industry, Tesla's brand strength can be summarized and starting from the high end and then penetrating into the masses. This approach aligns with the development of the electric vehicle industry and showcases Elon Musk's strategic vision. Authoritarian, innovative, and charismatic styles are derived from Musk's style. Tesla accumulated a lot of fans in the early decades, and its technology and scale development, its potential customer base expanded. Now it has various product lines to over different make segments. This demonstrates that Musk's ability to anticipate trends, identify unmet needs, and execute bold initiatives has been crucial in guiding Tesla. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Please, next student.
Dancia, I'm going to talk about the ethical dilemma issue that Tesla is going to face. What does this problem arise? Firstly, as globalization proceeds, multinational corporations will undertake more corporate activity overseas. This practice exposes firms to diversity of value and belief, resulting in different ethical practices. As a result, when transnational corporations conduct their business activity, they face cross-cultural challenge and can be confronting with more ethical dilemma than ordering business. Secondly, CSR is an important part of business development, doing that pay attention to human value and to contribute to the environment, consumers, and society. The value are taken to the greater and lesser extent when the order of CSR emerges. Tesla, as a large multinational company, CSR influences its choice to challenge. So, what dilemmas does Tesla face in the real world? We can see, on the one hand, Tesla has been very much news about destruction of employees' rights. Firstly, Tesla has been accused of several occasions of violating U.S. labor laws. April 26, 2023, a supervisor at Tesla's servicing center in Florida was found guilty of the violating U.S. labor laws. The supervisor banned employees for discussing salaries and banned employees for applying to high-level management. This unlawfully injured the employees' rights. Secondly, Tesla also have a problem with racism. Black employees were subject to verbal and behavioral discrimination in the work environment, and the management ignored this behavior. This behavior was remarked on the 2015 and was ordering to pay $3 million fine in 2023. In addition, in order to get more market, Musk have created a massive production schedule. It led to big mental and physical pressures on employees. Some employees even work more than 20 hours, and the service also found that number of safety problems occur at the Tesla factory was much higher than the others. On the other hand, Tesla occupy issue is worried by a lot of people. There's complaint about safety issue date back to 2015, and complaint include customers from American, Europe, and Asia. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has received hundreds of safety complaints about Tesla. Meanwhile, the safety authority conducted its first safety test on Tesla in August 2021 and found that improper use of the automatic assisting steering wheel may indeed increase the risk of the crash in some situations. This action jeopardizes the safety of the customer. At the same time, Tesla is faced some challenge in terms of sustainability. 2021, Tesla was accused of violating environmental regulation in the US and Germany, and was fined 20 million euros by the German authority from failure to fulfill its obligation to recall old batteries. In summary, we can see that ethical dilemmas faced by Tesla are the issue of the employees' rights, issue of the safety in the automatic technology, and the issue of the sustainability. There's ethical dilemma issue can hinder the growth of Tesla, and therefore Tesla need to adjust their existing challenge with suitable solutions. Next student, please, YUNXIN.
Thanks, Sia, for explaining it to us. Hi, I'm YUNXIN. According to the analyzer and application of the situational leadership model, Musk's leadership style resembles S3 or supportive leadership. When Tesla employees with the T3 stage, Max will reduce specific task instructions to create a positive team control and give the required support. It improves internal communication and collaboration while balancing cross-control people and partners. Greatly supporting the company's globalization. However, there are limits. Max identification and classification of the employees have a certain amount of subjectivity and uncertainty. He emphasized the ADA's function while ignoring the organizational environment, which produced disagreements within the team and delayed the project. Second, has presented 3 skills-based strategies. The picture shows that managers are classified as senior managers, intermediate managers, and frontline managers. With 3 categories of talents: technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. First, Max, as an engineer and a businessman, has a technical expertise to build Tesla electric cars flexible. Second, about human skills, he drives and team leadership attracted and keep highly motivated and professional employees, as well as wide range of partners. Finally, Max conceptual skills that a unique understanding of the future market enable him to successfully redirect the company's development effort towards sustainable energy and environmental protection. Max is a higher-level leader who focuses more on mental skills. She says that Max has been blowing ambitious goals lately, such as encouraging the creation of green vehicle and putting autonomous driving technological into action. His ideas are progressive, and he encourages creativity and ambition to try new things. Tesla played a role in the growth of the sector and produced significant technological advancements. There are nevertheless a few possible issues. His strong and demanding personality can stop the team from having enough different points of view and discussion during the decision-making process. He may also be too forward-thinking and theoretical at times, and he may overlook practical, technical, and business limitations, which could prevent the company from, in certain cases, the investment and the return on a project are out of balance. To summarize, Max addressed ethical challenges through his leadership style and conceptual skills. On the question of labor rights, he stressed employee goals and the team's atmosphere, which enhanced employee satisfaction and performance, but may also lead to slow decision-making or uneven resource allocation, as well as core control cooperation. According to YIXIN, the transformational leadership style can be seen in max efficient strategy, vision, and high employee well-being, but it also faces financial challenges and employee loyalty issues. In addition, within the context of autonomous driving technology, they emphasize the integration of technological innovation with technical principles to ensure the technology safety and ethics.
CHENGHAO WANG, I would conclude and make recommendations. Tesla has achieved great success under the leadership of Musk, who has driven the team forward with passion and vision, challenging convention and embodied transformative and supportive leadership with a management focus on change and innovation. Musk is committed to advancing electric vehicle and renewable energy technologies, and encourages team members to explore new ideas and maintain transparent communication. However, there are issues such as over-reliance on him, lack of team building, and neglect of ethical and legal considerations. These issues need to be addressed by the leader and the company to ensure the long-term growth and stability of the company. Meanwhile, as a renewable energy company, Tesla faces ethical dilemmas. Solutions include increased teamwork, developing a code of ethics, improving technical oversight, managing the supply chain, and implementing strong internal management and stakeholder communication. Continuous improvement of ethical and environmental policies is essential. Recommendations. Elon Musk can take tons of steps to improve leadership skills. First, Musk can establish institutionalized management mechanism to reduce reliance on him and ensure that the company's operations are more stable and sustainable. This includes standardized decision-making, a clear organizational structure, and effective performance evaluation. Musk can lead to delegate tasks and trust his subordinates, give them more autonomy and responsibility, and stimulate their work and passion and creativity. This will not only reduce his work pressure, but also enhance employees' participation and sense of responsibility. Third, leaders should ensure that all employees are given appropriate attention and support, and that they don't favor some employees over the needs and contributions of others. This can be achieved through the regular personal meetings with employees, providing fair rewards and recognition, and developing fair incentives. By adopting these strategies, Musk can incrementally improve his leadership and skills to better address the challenges facing company and drive Tesla to sustainable growth and long-term success. In terms of labor rights, Tesla can set up employee complaint channels and monitoring mechanisms so that employees can freely make complaints and suggestions to protect their rights and interests. At the same time, establish an independent supervisory body or committee to monitor and investigate labor rights issues. In terms of safety and ethical issues, Tesla could establish a code of ethics and decision-making mode for autopilot technology based on ethical principles and social values to help the system make appropriate choices to protect pedestrians and passengers in emergencies. In terms of environmental impact and sustainability, Tesla could enhance environmental monitoring and reporting, publish regular environmental reports, be subjected to external assessments, and continuously improve its environmental management and sustainability practices. Through the adoption of the above recommendation measures, Tesla can better address the ethical dilemmas of labor rights, environmental impacts, and sustainability, introduce the company's negative impacts on the environment, enhance the company's ability to develop sustainability, and achieve a virtuous cycle of economic growth and environmental protection. Thank you for listening.